Hello everybody, I'm Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. So I'm going to do another video here on headlight restoration because this one's pretty bad. I'm going to be doing a full detail on this tomorrow and put a ceramic coating on it and make sure this has some protection. It's going to be kept out, not in a garage anymore, so they want to put some, extra protection on it. Had a nice referral from a company I'm going to do a video on. Anybody local in Tempe need any work done, I'll be doing that with them soon. And so I'm just taking this white tape, not going on too heavy, but I want to cover the other areas here. Nothing fancy. I haven't done anything. The car's dirty, as you can see. So just gonna tape this off quickly. That didn't work. Save that there. So I know that the other one's worse than this one, so I know I'm gonna have to wet sand it. I am going to coat it with the same coating from Meguiar's, the headlight restoration coating. My coworker's truck that I did in the previous video, it's been a couple years and he said it's still clear. I took a look at it, and it's not bad at all. He's still not having any problems. So quick tape off. All right, got my water bottle. I have 3000 grit and 2000 grit sanding paper. I've got 2000 on here now. I'm going to put this on my Griot's Garage 3-inch DA. I'm going to spray the headlight. I got it on a pretty good stream here. Let's get that nice and wet. And then this does have a foam backing plate, so this is going to hold that water. And I'm starting about 3 here. I'm going to turn it up to about 4, about 5. Get a good rotation. I want to get a good even. I'm going to go nice and slow. A level sanding on this. Just going to show you the actual time it's going to take to restore this headlight and how you can do it yourself. There are kits available, but of course, obviously this is a lot quicker than doing it by hand. So as you can see, it's drying up. So at that point, I'm gonna stop and hit my pad with some more water. It's nice and windy out here today. Gotta love that. I'm gonna hit that again. Continue. Super wet now. Change directions. Now I can already tell, because I can see through, even though this is marring the front there, that I'm okay. I don't think I have to go any farther with the 2000. So I'm going to peel this off. I'm going to switch to 3000 grit, okay? Because I know that I can polish out the 3000. So you just keep going up to a higher and higher. Give that a little more, and then we'll make a few passes on this, and then we'll polish it. You can already see how it's getting a lot clearer from just that one switch in the pad there. I'm gonna go nice and slow. I won't have to do too many passes with this. That'll really splat on you good. But it's just water. All right, so now I'm going to take a quick water. I'm going to go grab a microfiber, and I'm just going to pause this real quick so we get some live here, and grab my polish. Don't have it on my cart. Be back in. All right, so I just dried this off. So as you can see, there is a bit of a haze. We still have a little bit of etching there, but it's not bad. So I'm going to see how much my Manzurna 400 can do, because I know it's my go-to miracle. I have a wool pad, and the reason it's yellow is because I use it for headlights. It's from the plastic. So I already shook this up. I'm gonna condition this pretty heavy because I know I need a lot of polish on there. I'm gonna blot it around, start it off slow. Okay, I'm gonna rev it up and polish this out. Right about 5. So we got a few minutes in here. All right, made a little bit of a mess. Let's check this out. Got a little bit of slight imperfection here, but that improvement is 1,000-fold, right? Now, this no longer is a safety issue. I'm gonna polish this out one more time, then I'm gonna coat it with my 2-3 layers, and I'm gonna mask this all off here so I don't have any overspray. It's extremely windy today. Probably do that in the garage tomorrow morning. But just to show you, you can bring this back to life. Quick wet sand, 3,000, 2,000. Now, if it was really etched in, a lot of people, they're going with a way higher grit sandpaper, 500, 700, 800, 900, something like that. But, you know, to make it easy, stick with 3 or 2. Most polishes, most professional polishes will get out 3,000 grit sanding marks or more. So I'm gonna hit this with another pass. I might do an optical grade polish or the perfect finish, just to really get that super shiny before I put the coating on. Have any other questions, shoot me an email at detailingandtempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. I appreciate all the support, everybody. Channel's slowly growing. I'm providing a lot of good information to beginners, new people out there, how-tos, so I appreciate it. Take care, everybody. All right, right at the end here, I added another clip here just to show you a couple things. So the 3,000 grit is Sunmite sun foam discs. That's what I use. There's another brand here. This is the 2,000 grit Mirka Abrelian quality from start to finish sanding disc. So I use the 3-inch. I'm sure there's lots of varieties. I do have 800 grit from Sunmite. I go down to, there's 1,000. So you can go down as much as you want. You can get these foam backing plates. And there's a 2000 grit. As you can see, it's just like fabric. And this is what I use for the coating. So this is a professional grade, keep clear, Meguiar's Headlight coating. You can get this on Amazon. You can get it at some, local stores. So this is a 4-ounce can. It's about $10, $10, $11. Maintains clarity, restores headlights, provides durable UV protection. That's what you want. You're spraying back on that coating that you need to protect it. You spray on 3 coatings, three coats. Keeps headlights clear for up to 1 year. It's actually a lot longer than that, even in Arizona. So this is a great long-lasting product. Any other questions? Shoot me an email. Appreciate all the support, everybody. Take care.